This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to, actually, that's not true because I did not buy this. This was actually sent to me. So welcome back to This Was Sent to Me, Let's Unbox This Shit series. And in today's video, I am gonna be opening up these little babies. These are the SMISKI Happy Birthday Series. And let me tell you, if you've been with me for some time now, or at least for this unboxing journey, then you know how much I love SMISKI. I don't know what the this is, but I just equate SMISKI to a god, okay? The god of just being unimpressed with everything. I don't think there's a series of SMISKI that I don't love. Whether SMISKI's exercising or making me feel like my art degree means something. Or this little series, this little happy birthday series. I just love SMISKI. SMISKI is just a little adorable creature that just is the embodiment of everybody who is socially anxious and just wants to lay in bed and just not be bothered. Like, that's why I love SMISKI so much. So when Popboxes reached out to me and was like, hey baby, do you want to unbox these? I was like, you bet your sweet little ass I do. Because I love SMISKI, I really do. And I also love Popboxes, and listen, yes, they do send me stuff, but I am a customer and I buy a lot of shit from them and I really enjoy them. Why, you ask? Because they often have things that I cannot find elsewhere. Things that are region exclusive. Things that I wish I could find here, but I will never be able to find. For example, I picked up this. Yes, I purchased this one myself. I just love it. I love me Farmer Bob and I love KFC. What can I say? I could always rely on Popboxes having very unique, fun things. And hell, if you do not like the idea of gambling and you just want a specific figure, Popboxes will be able to help you out there. For example, I recently opened up the new Labubu Sanrio collection. Hell, if you're looking for that bad boy cinema roll or the single dad Pum Pum Purin, you're able to buy that individual one. And I love that. So if you're looking for something specific in particular, Popboxes probably has it for you. Not only do they have really good deals, they have incredibly fast shipping. Like this stuff, I want to say I ordered it and like within 5 days it showed up. I was like, that is a record. I invite you to go check out their website. They have a lot of really cool promotions, whether it's free shipping, free gifts if your order meets like a certain threshold. And those free gifts can be like, you know, rare Labubus or Skull Panda figures. Like they have a lot of cool shit. So if you feel so inclined, definitely go check out Popboxes. And again, thank you so much to Popboxes for sending this my way. If you do want to save 15% on your order, feel free to use the code Theresa. I believe for 1 month you can get 15% off, and then after that month it goes down to 12%, which still is an awesome savings. I know I will be definitely using my code for a future purchase. I'm just being honest. I kind of want to open him too. Can we open him? Because actually, you know what? Before we go into SMISKI's, I kind of want to open him too. Maybe we'll keep him at the end of the video. We'll keep him at the end because I've been dying to open this up, but we're going to keep him at the end. Let's open up these little, that is just rude. These cars driving all kinds of crazy times. Stop. Let's open up these little SMISKI babies. Now, I have at least 2 of them. I have the one where like he is like sad, kind of eating a little ice cream cone, and then I have the one that says happy birthday. The other ones look really, really adorable. Let me actually just pop it over here in the corner. These are all the little options. Giving the bouquet. I love the wrapped up one. We have popping confetti. Again, the birthday message. I love the ones that are decorating. I just think that's really cute. SMISKI tasting. And then we have the secret. Obviously the goal today, and I'm hoping that we'll be able to find the secret because there's 12 boxes here. Fingers crossed. But let's just jump right into it. I'm going to start with the first box. Here we go. Like, I just love these little guys. I just can't. They're so cute. All right, let me open them up. Oh, actually, what am I doing? What am I doing? It's like I haven't recorded before. I think this is going to be, I'm actually looking at this little card because it's just helpful. I think, and also I'm blind. I think this one, oh, this is kind of hard because this one feels heavy. This one kind of feels light. I think this one's going to be popping confetti. I don't know why. I just feel like it's going to be popping confetti. Let's see if I'm right. No, it's not. It's not right. It's not, but it's the one that I already have, which is the tasting one. I love SMISKI. I can't, like, but I do love that they glow in the dark. It's so cute. Ah, okay. Sir, sit down. Okay, we have 11 more to go. This one feels heavy. This one feels heavy, so I think, I kind of think this is gonna be the one laying down, which is, what are you called again? You are called wrapped up. I think you're gonna be wrapped up. Let's see if I'm right. Nope. I was not right, okay. We have a duplicate, which is totally fine because listen, there are 6 in a set. This whole set, there's 12 of them. Okay, so bitch, it's bound to happen. Yay. You know what I have a theory now. I wonder in the sets if the ones that are directly next to it is the duplicate. In which, if that is the case, now I feel like I cracked the fucking code and now I know how to get my SMISKIs in the future. Okay. All right. This one feels very light, as do all of them. I think this one is going to be, I think it's going to be the giving a bouquet. I don't know. I feel like it's going to be giving a bouquet. Watch it not be that. Watch it actually be the popping confetti. No! Ah! Okay. Okay, this is the one, when I first got the set, this is the one that I really wanted. So it's like two little SMISKIs, and they're holding a little happy birthday sign, and they're just like trying to work together, but they both look so miserable, like they don't want to be at the company picnic. And I love that. Look how cute they are. I'm sorry, bitch. I'm sorry. That is so cute. Get out of here. All right, hold on. Let me just put them. Hi, buddies. You got to work together. Okay, thank you. All right, based off of that, I want to see if my theory is correct, okay? I think this one's also going to be, I literally just said what it was, SMISKI decorating. I think this is going to be the decorating one. If it's not, then my theory, complete bullshit. But I have a feeling that it's going to be, that's the case. Bitch, I was right. Ah! Okay, do you realize how much of a game changer this is? So that means when I'm looking for a darling little SMISKI, I know, unless the people it up and then like, oh man, oh God. Now I was just thinking, like, what if they all like try to like switch the boxes up and then my whole theory is wrong? Oh my God. No, I think my theory's right. But I'm not gonna unbag him because we already know who he is. I'm already gonna give him a good home. So we're gonna put him to the side. But I think my theory is right. I think my theory is right, y'all. Okay, bitch. All right. So we have 6 more boxes. No, we have way 2, 4, 6, 8. Theresa, count. Okay. Oh God. All right. So I think this one is going to be the bouquet one. Actually, no, I think it's gonna be the bouquet one. Oh no, but I already have this one and I love him. This is the one that says like, happy birthday, bitch. I mean, he doesn't say happy birthday, bitch, but you know what I mean? He says happy birthday. He's like, hi, happy birthday. I love you. I love you. All right, again, gonna go with my theory that this is going to be the happy birthday one. Bitch, my theory's right. Oh. And listen, maybe I'm late to the party, all right? And maybe everybody fucking knows this, but I didn't, okay? I didn't know that was how it works. Do you imagine that's not how it works? It just so happens like this is how the set came. First of all, that would be hilarious. But I really definitely think my science is correct. I am a scientist, okay? My science is correct. It just is. All right, I'm gonna put my little guy, my little duplicates to the side. Y'all are getting a good home. But so far we're doing good. Actually, no, we're not doing good because I want the secret. So let's see if we can find the secret. So I think this one is gonna be, I feel like I keep saying the same one over and over again and it's just not it. But I think this one's gonna be wrapped up. I think it's gonna be wrapped up. It feels fat. It feels like me. No! Okay, this is the party popper one. Popping confetti. Oh, that is so cute. Hold on. Oh, look how miserable he looks. Oh. He's so sad. It's his birthday. I love him. I don't know why. Maybe it's because they look so pathetic and sad. And it warms my little fat heart. I can't help it. So in theory, this should be the confetti one. Because I know I am right, because I'm psychic. And I also cracked the code. It feels so satisfying to finally figure out how to buy these things, okay? Because I was really convinced, I was like, oh my God, no. Every time I go buy a SMISKI, and especially if I buy 2 of them right next to each other, and I'm always picking right next to each other. Now I know to switch it up. I'm a little concerned. We haven't hit the secret yet, okay? And who we're missing so far is the one that's laying down, kind of like Rose from the Titanic. And then we have the bouquet one. I think this one's gonna be giving the bouquet. Let's see if I'm right. Oh no, I was wrong. But listen, this is the one that besides the 2 little guys like holding the little sign, there's just something about this one that's like, paint me like one of them French girls. I don't know, I love it. Okay, listen, this one is so sweet. I love them. So in theory, because I am so fucking right, this one is, watch it be the secret. If it's the secret, I will lose my shit. But I don't think it's the secret. I think it's going to be the duplicate of this one. Mama was right. Mama was right. I kind of want one in this office and one in the other office. I kind of just feel like we need to have that. Yeah. All right, we're up to the last ones. Okay. Now, the only one we're missing, which I feel like I've said several times today, I am not psychic, is the bouquet one. They kind of feel the same way, so I don't think we're lucky. I don't think we got the secret. And it's okay. Sometimes that happens. Aw, look how cute he is. Look at this bitch. This bitch is cute. We love this bitch. We love you. All right, let's try the last box. I'm really hoping it's a secret, but I just don't feel very lucky. We weren't lucky, bitches. We weren't lucky, but it's okay though. It's okay. You're a cutie. Okay, so let me show you the full lineup, all right? Because in a set, you do get 12 of them, with the chance that one could potentially be the secret. Otherwise, you get 2 complete sets. So here is our popping confetti. Love, actually, you know what? Let me go buy, no, I'll show them to you like this first. Here we have popping confetti. Very cute. Love this one. Love how miserable he is. Love it. Then we have the happy birthday message. So cute. Love him. Love that. Then we have the tasting, where he looks like he's kind of eating a piece of shit a little bit. But he's not though, he's not. Rest assured, he's not. Then we have Rose from the Titanic. Okay, we have Rose. We love Rose. We love Rose. Then we have giving the bouquet, which is really sweet. Also kind of feels like a little bit like a marriage proposal. And then, oh, I love these ones. The one that's holding the sign. Ah, you're so cute. These are so cute. Okay, there you go. Look at these little miserable, I love them. I love them. Okay, so now, I'm pretty sure you're like, oh, well, what's your ranking, Theresa? Well, bitch, let me tell you. I think my least favorite is probably Happy Birthday. Not because I think he's ugly or anything. It's just like, I get the point. You're too on the nose, okay? Thank you for telling me happy birthday, but I'm all set. I think this one is really cute though, but I think I like the other one so much more. So I would say he is probably my least favorite. So he's number 6. Then I guess it would be like the wedding proposal one, because this one, well, yes, bitch is wearing a birthday hat. If the bitch didn't have the birthday hat on, I'd be like, are you? I'm a married woman, you know what I mean? I think he's proposing to me. But he's really cute though. But I just think the other ones are a little bit cuter. So I would say he's number 5. Number 4 would be my tasting shit one. Oh, I love him, but now that's all I can see. You know what I mean? Like, he just looks like he has like a fresh little piece of poop. And yeah, for that very reason, he's number 4. And then for my number 3, I do love the popping confetti because he just looks fucking miserable. And I feel like that is essentially my inner core. Just me looking like that, okay, just miserable. And I love that, so I would say that's number 3. Now number 2 is gonna be Rose, all right? Rose from the Titanic is killing me. Anytime I get a SMISKI that's laying down, it's just like, I don't know, it warms my little fucking dark gothic heart. I just love this one so much. So this one would be number 2. For sure. And then my number 1, I love when they're like little mini ones, and these are so cute, and I love that they're holding the sign, and I think that's really fun, and I love that. And for that very reason, I'm going to say that this one is my absolute favorite, and this is number 1. I think this one is the cutest one. Prove me wrong. Okay, I love them so much. So now I could end the video there, but I'm not going to do that because I really want to open up these Farmer Bobs that I purchased myself, because I had been looking at this on the Finding Unicorn like Instagram thing, and I was like, that is the stupidest collaboration I've ever seen in my life. I need to have it. And Popboxes had it, and I was like, say less. So I was able to get this as well as 3 other little minifigures. So let me show you those first. There's just something fun about about these. So this collection, there are 3 different Farmer Bobs. I love Farmer Bob. I love Finding Unicorn, but specifically the Farmer Bob series is just so cute. And you haven't seen this video yet, but you'll see one in the future where I unbox a lot of Farmer Bob stuff. And I have a little section of all my little Farmer Bobs, and I feel like these guys are just gonna fit right in. Again, there are 2 like really funny requirements I have where I know I'm gonna specifically buy something like regardless of what it is. If it's doing some sort of like a job, I don't know why, but like a working little figure just kills me and I need to have it. Or if it's a very weird specific collaboration. And this one kind of falls in both of those categories. So I was like, it's a fucking got to have item that I got to have. So let's open this one. This one is the Cup of Inspiration. First of all, the bag. I'm sorry. Like this bitch. It's a secret recipe. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, Bethany? Okay. This is so cute. Oh my God. Okay, first of all, boy goes in the cup. Okay. So cute. And then you put the little lid on the cup. Hold on. Help, please. All right. He's going to be kind of falling all over the place. But like, look how cute he is though. I absolutely adore Farmer Bob. The cutest, most unexpected character that I have been collecting. And he's just so stupid that I love him. And I love Kentucky Fried Chicken. I really do. This one I think is my favorite because it's the relaxed kernel. Oh wait, by the way, there is a card that kind of comes along with it. So heads up there. Bitch is holding a drumstick. Are you? Come on. Come on. This is the stupidest fucking thing. I love this so much. I love this so much. Oh my God. It's the coolest thing I've ever seen. Okay. I love you. All right, so let me show you the card for that. Oh, all right, that's for that one. All right, I love that. And then the last one, which let me tell you, lazy tart lover. Say less. Say less. Okay, there's the card. Oh, he is so cute. He's sitting in a little egg tart. Oh, bitch. Bitch, I love this. Oh, I love this so much. The figures are so cute. And then let's, of course, open the big guy. This is the Chickie friend. I do have like 4 big plush Farmer Bobs. My collection's slowly growing. And I feel like this is definitely going to be some of the weirdest shit that I have in my collection. And I love that for me. I love that for me. Okay. Here's your card. Oh, look how cute he is. I can't. I'm sorry. Bitch. Okay. This. Oh, that was genuine, that laugh. That is, oh, this is so good. Oh, this is the stupidest fucking thing. I love him so much. Look at him. Oh, he's a chicken. I think I need a minute. Hold on. I love him. If I had a child, I would dress my child up like a chicken. I don't know why. Here you go. Oh God, I love stupid ass shit. And this makes me so happy. In terms of like who's the best, I can't rank them. I love them all equally, okay? But this one, I don't know. This is like, there's something about him that honestly, I cannot wait to put him on my bag. And then people go, what the f? Like, oh yeah, I am a brand loyalist. Even though I haven't had KFC in a very long time, I do have fond memories, okay? The KFC famous ball. We love that. But it's been a hot minute since I have had KFC. And you know what? I'm okay with that because I want to have a fond memory. I don't want to know the sad reality of it. I want to remember fondness, okay? I love this so much. Anyway, this was fun. I love this. See, this is the stuff that just makes me happy. My son. Anyway, now I would love to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have the SMISKI Happy Birthday set. And if you do you have the secret? Tell me all about it. Make me feel jealous. And of course, if you have this, please let me know. Put a little chicken emoji down below. Or is there like a fast food that you'd be like, no, absolutely, I would buy that. If I saw like a little stupid thing with this like little fast food thing on it, I would get it. I feel like for Alex, it would be Taco Bell. And I wouldn't be opposed to that. I think Taco Bell would be pretty fun. So maybe Farmer Bob could have like a Taco Bell moment. Just saying, that would be pretty awesome. And of course, again, I want to say thank you so much to Popboxes for sending me the SMISKI set. And also thank you, Popboxes, for having this on your fucking website because I've been hunting this for a little bit when I found out about it. I was just so happy that it was on your website. And now I feel like my life's complete. So thank you. And of course, if you want to save 15% off of anything on Popboxes, use the code Theresa. Feel free to peruse at your leisure. That said, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. And I'll see you little garbage bags tomorrow. Bye.